So during this session, we're going to discuss how a channel partner sets up an account on Waze. When you first log into Waze as a new channel partner, this is going to be the home screen that you see. This is not for your agency credentials. This is actually for the first account you're going to set up. So when we're looking at this, let's just create an account right now so you can see an example of what it looks like. And I'm going to create my own pizzeria because I've always wanted to own a pizza company when I was little. So the business name is the name of the small business that you are trying to log in. You type in the business name, you click next, and then you can go to business description. This is an 80-character maximum description that will be shown on a standard ad or in the information page of your ads. So for this one, we'll put best cheese pizza in New York City. If you look to the right, you can see what the ad is actually going to look like in real time for the standard ad creative. We're going to click next, and now you're going to type in the business location. So this is the address of the business, of where it's actually located on the map. I'll type in Google's address here for the sake of clarity in New York City so you can see that, and then click next. When it comes to business type, this is important because this is going to be the category that you are selecting your business to be a part of on the Waze search bar. So when a driver is looking for lunch and they type in a category keyword like lunch near me or food near me, how do we know that Justin's Pizzeria should pop up? Well, we know because I'm going to select the category of restaurant underneath the food vertical. If you look down, just for examples, you can see we have shopping, e-commerce, furniture, services, etc. that you could also select from. So for Justin's Pizzeria, it'll be restaurant. I click next, and now we come to budget. This budget that you're looking at is the daily budget of your branded pins. Don't be alarmed if when you first submit this, it's not the exact budget that you're looking for pins and takeovers, because we're going to be able to change this once we actually get the account up and running. For the sake of argument today, we'll do our monthly minimum of $60 a month, which is $2 a day. That's going to get us 30,000 impressions, which you can see right here. So I'll click next, and now it comes to billing. So billing is important because a channel partner has the opportunity to be billed in one of two ways. The first is credit card. If you're billing credit card, that means that every single account that you sign up on Waze has to have a credit card inputted into the account at this time. If you're not doing credit card and you want to be billed on a monthly invoicing schedule as an entire agency, what you're going to do is click skip payment for staff and resellers only. This is going to notify us that you should be billed via invoice, and this is an account being set up on credit card. The important thing to understand here is whether you pick credit card or invoice, you have to do that for all of your accounts on Waze. So it's one or the other. You cannot have some accounts on credit card and some accounts on invoice. So for the sake of this argument, we're going to click invoice. We're going to go to accept the terms and agreement, and then we're going to create the account. Now, once we create the account, we'll be notified that the account is created. And then we can manage our ads. Once we go in, we can search Justin's Pizzeria, and now we see our account on Waze and what it looks like. This is how you start setting up an account on Waze.